Autoland operation is activated when the Mode Control Panel or MCP approach button is pushed. Pushing the approach button isolates the electrical system into 3 separate electrical channels to power the 3 autopilots from different power sources. Specifically, the left electrical distribution system powers the left autopilot and the captain's flight instrument transfer bus. The right electrical distribution system powers the right autopilot and the first officer's instrument transfer bus. The battery standby system powers the center autopilot. During the approach, above 200 feet radio altitude, should a generator fail, the electrical system will return to its normal unisolated state. The operating generator cross-ties to power the opposite AC bus. The center AC and DC buses return to their normal power source, that is, the left side, and the Autoland status annunciator, or ASA, will indicate an amber No Land 3. During the approach, should a generator fail below 200 feet radio altitude, the bus tie breakers remain locked out and the respective bus off light illuminates. The autopilot associated with the failed AC bus becomes unpowered and its command switch bar is removed from view. In this case, the Autoland status annunciator or ASA annunciation remains unchanged at green Land 3 and the respective flight instrument transfer bus switches to the still-powered AC bus. The automatic landing continues on the remaining 2 autopilots. After an approach where a generator fails below 200 feet, the electrical system returns to its unisolated condition when, on the runway, when the autopilots are disengaged, or an autopilot go-around is performed.